Welcome back to the INOX Podcast. Today I'm here on my own. Bear over with me, where we dive deep into the world of 3D printing. Today we are exploring a crucial topic. What's the difference between a dental 3D printer and an industrial 3D printer? If you are in a market for a high precision 3D printer, you don't want to miss out on this one. A lot of people assume that a higher resolution automatically means a better print. But here's the thing, in dental 3D printing, resolution isn't everything. It's about accuracy, it's about precision and fit. Let's break it down. An industrial 3D printer might boost an ultra-high resolution, but for dental applications, it's not just about how fine the layers are. It's about how accurately the final parts fit the patient's anatomy. That's why the dental 3D printers, like the INOX 3D printer, focus on more than just the thickness of the layer. This ensures precise adaptation, margin integrity and occlusal accuracy, something that a regular industrial printer just isn't built for. And here's something else many people overlook: the resin behavior. Permanent dental resins contain nanoparticles that need to be evenly distributed throughout the print. That's why the 3D printer from INOX comes with an integrated mixing tool, a feature you don't find in standard industrial printers. Without mixing, the nanoparticles settle, leading to inconsistent strength, poor surface quality, and unreliable restorations. So, while an industrial printer is great for prototypes, tools and mechanical parts, a dental printer like the INOX is built for medical grade precision, biocompatibility and long-term durability. If you're a dental professional, the choice is clear. That's it for today's episode. If you found this useful, don't forget to subscribe and share with your fellow 3D printing enthusiasts. And if you are looking for a serious dental 3D printer, check out the INOX 3D printer, designed with dental professionals in mind. See you next time.